What's up, guys? So today I got these bright lights and this camera on me because I want to talk to y'all about something when it comes to synthetic and human hair. A lot of people walk into beauty supply stores and they're really confused about all the taglines and names as far as raw, virgin, unprocessed, Remy, mink, Yaki, blah, 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 European, this and that. Which, I mean, if you think about it from a business point of view stance, right, if they have a big factory and they're just pushing out a bunch of random stuff, it makes it a way for them to segment and break down the market and figure out where they want to sell what to. So a lot of people think of it as a direct con, and I don't think that's the way it began, especially in China and these places where they started making these names. It was more of a way to segment and direct their sales in the market better. And now what it's turned into is a big mess of misinformation, where people aren't understanding what these terms mean as far as a manufacturer standpoint goes versus as far as a consumer or even a reseller standpoint goes. So try to shed a little bit of light on that. The first thing I want to talk about is raw, virgin, and unprocessed. So for me, I get this question a lot. Those words are kind of used interchangeably as far as we go. We get a bundle from the temple and we buy hair from there. It's totally unprocessed. There's nothing done to it at that point. Therefore, we can call it either virgin, which means nothing done to it, or raw, which means it has all its cuticles intact and it's raw, there's nothing been done to it, no processing, or unprocessed because, once again, there's been nothing done to it processing-wise. And so that kind of is my standard here in India, is ours, is the culture we have here. Now, if you go out into the market, you'll see different prices and different testimonials, different sayings for raw versus virgin versus unprocessed hair. What I try to tell people is this: when it comes to this industry, you do need to touch and feel. You do need to see. You need to put your time and efforts into testing not only the vendors and the people and the business relations, but the actual product, the hair itself, which takes time. There's no shortcuts for these type of things. Some people get lucky, most people don't. So that being said, I encourage everybody to just use common sense when it comes to looking at hair. If you see a kinky, like curly bundle like that, and they're calling it virgin or raw or unprocessed, I mean 9.999 times out of 10, that's just not true. So yeah, just once again, I don't like to make these videos too long. I do get into deeper conversations with people when they reach out to me directly. I don't charge for those sessions as well either. Just give me a call if you have any kind of direct questions, and we'll talk about it then. Peace, guys.